Hello guys, my name is Rapid Reload and today we are back with another World of Warships Blitz video. So today we are gonna play a live session with the tier 5 destroyer from the European tech tree, the Visby. So this ship is an all-rounder. It has very nice guns, torpedoes, mobility, stealth. But the only downside is you have to hit a lot of torpedoes in order to do damage. It's like a mini game. All of the torpedoes that hit cause flooding, but you have to hit a lot of torpedoes and a lot of times to do a lot of damage because they do like 2 to 3,000 damage each torpedo, which is not a lot. So let's see. This is the matchup. We have a tier 5 we have a tier 6 battle with 3 battleships. It's an alright match. Also, I really like the capture the base map mode with 3 bases. So we can use our speed boost and load AP for the first encounter, most likely with the enemy destroyers. So the torpedoes have a 6.9 kilometers range, gun 7.3. It's an all-rounder. I quite like this ship. Quite interesting story. Up until tier 5, I didn't have a commander for this line, so that's why I'm still at tier 5. I didn't want to continue going down this line without a commander because I really needed those kills. So let's see, dropping my torpedoes. I don't want to be fighting all of that, so I will just simply go and capture area B. Hopefully those torpedoes are gonna hit, and it looks like it. As you can see, 4 torpedoes and just 5,000 damage. So it's like it looks like maybe 1,500 damage per torpedoes at most, which is not a lot, guys. Is not a lot. Let's see if we can catch this Konigsberg one more time. Let's see where he goes. Let's drop some torpedoes. And let's switch targets. Okay, so we hit him with 2 more torpedoes. I really want to get those torpedoes hits, and let's see. I think he's dead. Yes. I will try to set some permafires.
Engine boost activated.
I really need to disengage, but I don't think it's possible, so let's see if we can hit him. Nice. 2 and a flood. A flood, sorry. Nice, he's dead. I really don't want to fight a Konigsberg right now, so let's go against this battleship. This is a very close battle. Okay, let's go against this destroyer.
Good job. Nice shot. Target hit. Good job. Enemy torpedo spotted.
Let's see if we can kill this destroyer.
Torpedoes. Destroyed an enemy ship.
Alright.
Engine boost activated. Enemy team is about to win.
Let's go after this destroyer.
Enemy team is about to win. Torpedoes.
I think he's dead, guys.
Nice shot.
Nice. So we just killed a completely tier 6 destroyer by ourselves. This is a very good game for this ship. Unfortunately, it's a loss. I was the battle star. Nice. This is an amazing ship and amazing game. 3 kills, 45,000 damage. As you can see, I was top of the damage, and also in my team and on the enemy team, top on the kills and top of the assist. Nice. So, guys, if you enjoyed this battle, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, a comment, and also don't forget to suggest whatever ship you want to see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.